today we are going to learn how to make agua de horchata. For this, you will need white rice, cinnamon sticks, water, a 14-ounce can of lechera or sweet condensed milk, a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, a strainer, a blender, and you may also need vanilla extract. Start by adding 1.5 cups of white rice into a large bowl. Make sure that you've washed your rice. Add in 4 cups of water, and finally add in 2 cinnamon sticks to the water. You can add 3 if yours are as thin as mine. Let this soak overnight or a minimum of 3 hours. You want your water to be murky, like this. When this is ready, put it all into a blender and blend. Once it is blended well, take it out and strain it. Then put it back into your blender, add in your evaporated milk and condensed milk, blend. Strain it one more time or twice. Finally, put it into whatever pitcher you will be using and add in your vanilla extract to your liking. And stir. Depending on how you like your horchata, you can leave it as it is, but it will be on the thicker and sweeter end. Although if you add ice to it, it will water down eventually. Or you can add 1.5 cups of water or more if it's still too sweet for you. Chill in the refrigerator. Horchata is best served with ice. Enjoy!